Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Makita cordless drills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the Makita FD09R1 12-volt max CXT lithium-ion cordless 3/8 driver drill kit, priced at $89.99. This model is designed for compactness, portability, and ease of use, but features a variable 2-speed transmission, 0 to 450 RPM and 0 to 1700 RPM, which makes it versatile for drilling and driving applications. Despite its smaller size, the Makita-built motor delivers 250 inch-pounds of max torque, ensuring adequate performance for light-duty tasks. The FD09R1's standout feature is its ultra-compact design. It's just 7 inches long and weighs only 4 pounds, making it perfect for tight spaces and overhead use. The ergonomically designed handle, with rubberized soft grip, enhances comfort during prolonged use, while the 12-volt max CXT slide battery allows the tool to stand on its own for added convenience. This kit includes two 2.0 amp batteries, a charger, and a durable carrying case, making it an excellent value for its price. This drill is ideal for homeowners or hobbyists who need a lightweight tool for everyday tasks like assembling furniture, installing shelves, or light carpentry. However, it's not designed for heavy-duty applications due to its lower torque and smaller chuck size. If portability and user comfort are your priorities, the FD09R1 delivers great performance without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 3 is the Makita XPH12Z 18V LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless hammer driver drill, priced at $107.14. This model is tailored for users who need both drilling and hammering capabilities. With a BL brushless motor delivering 530 pounds inch-day keys of max torque and a variable 2-speed design, 0 to 500 and 0 to 2000 RPM, this drill is equipped to handle demanding tasks. It also includes hammering functionality with up to 30,000 BPM, making it suitable for masonry and concrete applications. The XPH12Z boasts robust build quality with extreme protection technology, XPT, for enhanced durability in dusty or wet environments. Despite its powerful performance, it remains lightweight at just 3.14 pounds, ensuring reduced operator fatigue. While the product doesn't include a battery or charger, it's compatible with Makita's 18V LXT battery system, which is widely popular and trusted for its reliability. This drill is perfect for professionals or serious DIYers who need a versatile tool for both drilling and hammering tasks. However, the lack of included accessories may deter beginners or those without existing Makita batteries. If you're looking for an affordable, high-performance hammer driver drill, the XPH12Z delivers excellent value. The runner-up on our list is the Makita XFD1318V 18-volt LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless driver drill kit, priced at $169. This drill stands out for its powerful BL brushless motor, which delivers 440 inches-pounds of max torque and is designed to optimize battery energy for up to 50% longer runtime. The mechanical 2-speed transmission, 0 to 500 and 0 to 1900 RPM, provides flexibility for a wide range of drilling and fastening applications. Build quality is a highlight here, with the tool featuring a sturdy yet ergonomic design. At 7.25 pounds, it's heavier than some other models, but it compensates with robust performance and durability. The included 3.0 amp-hour battery, charger, and tool bag make this a complete kit for professionals or enthusiasts who demand reliability and efficiency. The XFD1318 is ideal for users who need a high-performance drill for daily use, whether for construction, woodworking, or other heavy-duty applications. Its variable speed and long battery life make it versatile and convenient. However, its higher price may not appeal to casual users. Overall, it's a great investment for those who prioritize durability and power. And finally, at number 1, we have the Makita CT225SYX 18-volt LXT lithium-ion compact 2 combo kit, priced at $189. This premium kit includes both a 1/2-inch driver drill and an impact driver, offering unmatched versatility for users who need multiple tools for varied tasks. The driver drill delivers up to 480-inch lbs of max torque and features a mechanical 2-speed transmission, 0 to 600 and 0 to 1900 RPM, while the impact driver provides up to 1,460-inch lbs of max torque and speeds of up to 2,900 RPM. The compact design of both tools ensures reduced operator fatigue, with the driver drill weighing just 3.3 pounds and the impact driver only 2.8 pounds. The ergonomically designed handles with rubberized soft grips enhance comfort during extended use. Additionally, the kit includes 2 1.5 batteries, a charger, and a durable tool bag, making it a complete package for professionals and DIYers alike. The CT225SYX combo kit is perfect for users who require both drilling and driving capabilities in a portable and efficient setup. While it's the priciest option on this list, the inclusion of 2 high-quality tools and accessories makes it a worthwhile investment. Whether you're working on construction sites or home improvement projects, this kit delivers reliable performance and convenience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.